The Hyūga-class helicopter destroyer is a type of helicopter carrier built for the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. 2. Hyūga and Ise were built. Upon completion, the class were the largest ships built for the Japanese Navy since the Second World War. Hyūga was described in a PBS documentary as the first Japanese aircraft carrier built since World War II. The Hyūgas were followed by the larger Izumo class, the first being commissioned in March 2015. The Izumos will replace the Shirane-class helicopter destroyers. The Hyūgas were originally meant to replace the Shiranes. The specifications of the Hyūga-class are comparable to light aircraft carriers, such as Italian Giuseppe Garibaldi and Spanish Príncipe de Asturias. Under the JMSDF's naming conventions, the ships are called Go-Eikan in Japanese and Destroyer in English, as same as all the other combatant ships of JMSDF. During development, Hyūga and Ise were provisionally named 16DDH and 18DDH respectively. The numbers derived from the Japanese calendar, specifically the 16th year and 18th year of the Heisei reign, when the provisional name were given. Design and specifications. The Hyūgas are primarily anti-submarine warfare carriers operating Sh-60K anti-submarine helicopters. They also have enhanced command and control capabilities to serve as flagships. During peacetime, Hyūgas and Osume-class ships could operate together to conduct military operations other than war, peacekeeping and relief operations. The ships are armed with a 16-cell VLS carrying the evolved Sea Sparrow missile surface-to-air missile, and Phalanx close-in weapon system for self-defense. They are also equipped with the ATECS command system and FCS-3 fire control with active electronically scanned array radar system. Global security. Org suggests a maximum capacity of 18 to 24 H-60 class helicopters, or a smaller number of larger helicopters, even though the official complement was reported as 3 SH-60 and 1 A-101 helicopters, or 3 SH-60J and 1 CH-53E helicopters. It has been speculated that future modifications may allow the operation of VTOL, SDOVL fixed-wing aircraft, such as Harriers or F-35 Lightning II. In 2013, US MCV-22 Ospreys practiced operations on Hyūga. In 2016, MV-22 Ospreys operated off Hyūga in the participation of relief efforts following the Kumamoto earthquake. Ships in the class. Construction of the first ship, JS Hyūga, was started in 2006 and it was launched on the 23rd of August 2007. The second was launched and named JS Ise on the 21st of August 2009. Hyūga was named after Hyūga Province on the east coast of Kyushu, and Ise after Ise Province. They inherited the names of the Ise-class battleships Hyūga and Ise of the Imperial Japanese Navy. These two ships had been built during World War I and served in World War II. Following the Battle of Midway, Hyūga and Ise were converted into a hybrid battleship aircraft carriers in 1943 with the replacement of the aft gun turrets and barbades by a small flight deck and hangar deck with which they could launch a squadron of Yokosuka D-4Y dive bombers and Ichi-16A seaplanes. In November 2009, Hyūga participated in annual X-21G joint naval exercise with the U.S. aircraft carrier George Washington and other USN and JMSDF ships to maintain the interoperability between the two navies. On the 11th of March 2011, the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami struck the northeast part of Japan. Hyūga immediately moved to off the coast of Miyagi Prefecture and started search and rescue Operation Ise, which went into service on the 16th of March. Also will join a delivery operation for refuge shelters. On the 8th of November 2013, Super Typhoon Haiyan crossed the Visayas, Philippines. Ise joined the relief operation, using its helicopters to provide relief supplies to remote areas cut off by the storm. Gallery.